Today I'm unboxing the Beats Solo4 with AppleCare Plus. Check out this sleek slate blue color, so stylish. First impressions, the box feels premium and sturdy. Let's open it up, always the best part. Inside you get the headphones, charging cable and manual. AppleCare Plus included 2 years of hardware protection. That means coverage for headphones, battery and cable. Look at this ultralight ergonomic design, super comfortable. The flex grip headband feels secure but not tight. Ear cups are adjustable and angled for a perfect fit. UltraPlush ear cushions. These feel so soft and durable. Let's try them on. Wow, barely notice the weight. I could definitely wear these all day, no problem. Now for sound, let's play my favorite playlist. Custom acoustic architecture and updated drivers. Here we go. Whoa, the bass is punchy, mids are super clear. Personalized spatial audio kicks in. Immersive 3D-like soundstage. Dynamic head tracking makes audio move with me. It really feels like I'm in the middle of the music. Battery life up to 50 hours. That's insane. Perfect for long commutes or travel. No charging anxiety. Low on battery. Fast fuel gives 5 hours in 10 minutes. That's a lifesaver when I forget to charge. Supports high-res lossless audio via USB-C or 3.5mm. Great for audiophiles who want the best sound quality. Pairing is super easy. One touch for iOS and Android. No more fumbling with Bluetooth settings every time. Let's test call quality. The built-in mic is clear. Voice assistant works smoothly. Just ask and it responds. I love the dual compatibility. Works with all my devices. These headphones feel durable and well built in hand. The finish resists fingerprints and looks premium. Even after hours, my ears feel fresh, no discomfort. I can see these being my daily go-to headphones. Music lovers, commuters, tech fans, this is for you. If you want immersive sound and comfort, look here. AppleCare Plus adds peace of mind. Worth it for travelers. Downside, not fully waterproof, so avoid heavy rain. But honestly, the pros far outweigh that for me. Would I recommend? Absolutely. These are a solid upgrade. Ready to level up your listening experience? Check out the Beats Solo4 with AppleCare Plus today.